In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Ionos subscription in just about 5 minutes. Whether you've been thinking about this for a while or your needs have changed, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can cancel your subscription bisahula and without any confusion. First, head over to the Ionos homepage. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. This will take you to the login page where you need to select Customer Account and proceed to sign in. Enter the email address associated with your Ionos account and click Next. Then type in your password carefully, keeping in mind that it's case sensitive. Click Next again to access your account dashboard. Once you're inside your account, look for the My Account section. Click on it to open an overview of your account details and the services you're currently subscribed to. From there, find and click on Contracts and Subscriptions. This will display a list of all the subscriptions linked to your account. Go through the list and select the specific subscription you want to cancel. After selecting it, you'll be taken to a detailed page for that subscription. Here, look for the option labeled Cancel Contract and click on it. You'll likely be asked to confirm your decision. Go ahead and confirm by clicking on Cancel Contract Now. Make sure to read any information shown during this step so you fully understand the cancellation process. After completing the cancellation, keep an eye out for a confirmation email from Ionos. This serves as proof that your subscription has been successfully canceled and can be useful for your records. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to log into your account, navigate to your subscriptions, select the one you want to cancel, and complete the process. Managing your subscriptions is an important part of maintaining your digital services, and now you can handle it with confidence.